This is the new range of Hitachi's 2 kilo hammer drills. We have the DH24, the DH26 and the DH28, which is a UVP hammer drill. The DH24 has a 730 watt motor, the 26 has an 830 watt motor and the 28 has an 850 watt motor. They share the hammer mechanisms with our larger rotary hammers and rotary breakers. They're twice as durable as the previous models and they are the best in class with the fastest drilling speeds. The DH24PX is our entry-level 3-mode 2 kilo hammer. 2.7 kilos in weight. Our settings: drill, hammer drill and light chiseling. The side handle is fully adjustable, comes with a depth gauge as standard. This model also has a trigger lock for ease of use and is available 110 and 230 versions. The DH24 capacities are 24mm for concrete, 32mm for wood, 13mm for steel and between 25 and 50mm for coring.